Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing the Bluetooth enabled CTX battery sense monitor that can track the condition of your 12-volt lead acid battery, and the data collected by the battery sense monitor is delivered through a free to download iPhone or Android app. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Firstly, we have the battery sense monitor itself with its positive and negative terminals. There's also an easy to read quick guide. The monitor comes with a foam sticky pad, so you can easily fit it to any convenient surface. Or, another option for fitting, a cable ties for more permanent fixing. And that's the CTX battery sense monitor unboxed. Thanks for watching.